Hey Shy Babies, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. You know, I really haven't done anything regarding Christmas yet though, but I think I'm gonna make some hot chocolate tonight. Yeah, they see you. They see you. They see you. Yeah. Okay, Poop. Okay, we see you. Okay. So y'all, today I am going to, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook, but I'm gonna let y'all see me cook. I don't know what I'm cooking yet, but all right. Bye. Get out my video now. I'm gonna cook, and I'm gonna cook something. I'm gonna go on TikTok, so it's gonna be a TikTok eats. I just don't know what I'm gonna cook yet, but I'm gonna be looking because I'm not driving. And look at that iguana. I'm gonna be sitting in the passenger seat of my mama car like always. And then I just need to get a few essentials, like razors and stuff like that from the store too. But other than that, that's it. Like, I don't, like, y'all, when I'm home, I don't be knowing what to vlog because I really be trying to chill for real. So when I know I'm leaving the house, that's when I vlog because I have something to vlog. You know, I don't want to get y'all just talking videos, but sometimes that ain't bad. But yes, but I'm actually about to go leave the house today, so that's what it is. And I took my nap first because I got off work at 9 a.m. Well, actually I got off a little bit early. I got off at 8:15. And then I went to sleep. So that's what we about to do today. And then I think I'm gonna go back home. I don't know if I'm gonna chill at my mama's house for a little bit because work is starting again tomorrow. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna get some edge control because I had made a post on Instagram and asked them what edge control that I should get because my edges, they too strong. They don't like to listen, you know. So I'm gonna go to the beauty supply store and get that too, and then that's gonna be it. And then I'm gonna cook and I'm gonna show y'all that. So I will see y'all in a few once I figure out what I'm gonna cook, I guess. Bye. All right, y'all, so I know what I'm gonna cook. My mama help. I did look at TikTok, but TikTok, I'm gonna do it my own way. So I'm gonna get a, what is it called? I'm gonna get a wok so I can make the fried, I'm gonna do shrimp fried rice and fried chicken wings. So I'm gonna get a wok from Walmart and I'm gonna cook my fried rice and stuff on there, which I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do. And then we're gonna fry some chicken wings. So we're going to Walmart to get what we need.
Yeah, baby.
I'll see y'all when we get there, when I gotta get all the stuff that I need. All right. Okay, Shy Babies, I am back and I am home. So I'm about to get ready to start cooking. I want to, well, I put some of the stuff up from Walmart already. I got my candle lit in front of me, but that ain't the main goal. I want to show y'all what I got as far as like what I'm gonna cook. I know y'all kind of saw it in the clip. Like, I already had shrimp, so I got my bag of shrimp because I'm doing shrimp fried rice. I got the mixed vegetables with peas and carrots. I don't want no onions in my stuff. I don't like onions. Even when I order from the Chinese place, I get no onions. So I'm not gonna put the onions in there now. I'm gonna be frying some chicken. I'm gonna make it on the ceramic griddle. That's what I'm gonna do it on. Then my best friend mentioned teriyaki sauce, so I got some teriyaki sauce. The Walmart brand, ain't nothing wrong with it. And then I have some soy sauce, but I got less sodium because I know soy sauce, it makes you catch a headache sometimes if you consume too much of it. And I'm not trying to catch no headache. And then that's all I need besides my seasonings because everything's gonna be done on this, which I'm about to get ready to open. And y'all, this was only $27. With tax, it came up to what, I think $34. My kids is in front of me because the living room is in front of me. My kids is in front of me playing. My son playing on his side. I'm on his side. My son playing on his slide, and my daughter sliding him down the slide. Yay! Yeah. So we about to cook. I'm about to plug it up. I don't know what I'm about to do first, y'all. This is my first time doing it, so bear with me. I don't know. Somebody throw this in the garbage for me, please. I don't know, y'all. I ain't never used one of these ever in life, so I hope it cooked my chicken good. I hope all that. I bought scissors from Dollar Tree. Where the Dollar Tree bag at? I think get it from out of his thing.
You got saran wrap.
No, that's aluminum foil.
And the scissors right here.
Okay, let me see the scissors.
Got new kitchen scissors, guys.
Yeah, because the other one's broke. That means you have, if your scissors break, that means you're doing something right. So, throw this in the garbage too. Oh, wait, something else in here now. Oh, my gum. Can't forget to try it, y'all. Throw this in the garbage. No, I meant in this too, my bad. So, I'm about to open the box. I'm gonna move y'all closer though. So. Look at Junior back there. First of all, he's standing on a case of water. Hey.
That's a dangerous habit.
Be funny probably. I don't know why I thought it was set up higher than this. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess the way I pictured it in my head. I'ma clean it and stuff, and then I will be back. Let me do what I gotta. Let me prep first. I gotta clean my chicken and stuff. I'ma prep first. And then I'm gonna come back, okay, y'all? Oh, wait, baby, hold on. Where this go? Where am I supposed to stick this at? Oh, okay then. Let me turn it off though. Okay, I turned it off. Y'all, this is about to be a long video. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to do the shrimp first. The rice is on the stove. I'm making the rice first, and then I'll put it on the stove afterwards. My chicken is still cleaning. I seasoned my shrimp. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna show y'all a better picture once it's on the grill. But I seasoned my shrimp, so I'm gonna do my shrimp. I'm gonna start with doing my shrimp and my mixed vegetables. So let's just get into it. Put it on 350. I didn't know if I wanted to go to 400, but I just put it on 350. I got my shrimp right here. I got canola oil. I'm so nervous. Where is, okay, and I'm gonna use these. Let me rinse it off. Oh my gosh, y'all, it got hot quick. Oh, I'm scared. I think I testify for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. It was sizzling, yeah. I'ma love editing this. Now for me, I ain't got it. Promise, give me do it. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you. Y'all hear that sizzle? For the truth, I shining under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose in this moment? You just too important. Nobody's like you do. I can't lose. When I'm with you, I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do, you do. In the top top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That way between the bob, I'll be your main one. Take this argument back up to my place. Back to my you, I'm not battling on you day one. We had to, yeah.
was magic, yeah. Smashing gravity, yeah. Snap, carry, stick a home when you lying. Ain't a home when you lying. Or the room when you lying. I'm saying, I can lose when I'm with you. How can I feel?
Let me call my mama and tell her chef shot in a mother freaking building. Girl, yeah. Look at this, girl. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Show mommy. You hear that sizzling? Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. I'm about to get ready to. I'm about to get ready to flip it though. I'm about to get ready to flip it on the other side of the shrimp.
Put that in my mind, shift to take a step out. Get some in now, flip so edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now.
Dry out. So yes, it looked burnt, but I promise you it's gonna come out, because not all of them look like that, but it's gonna come out right. Trust me. one more egg in here though.
Well, let me see how your food looks. I already showed her food. Like over there, I don't want to see.
Hold on, honey.
Looks like you're over there burning.
No, that's my grill. I'm working on a grill.
Look, she worked on a hibachi grill.
Y'all need to stop. Bump that. You ain't seeing nothing. All right, I'm about to put some. I'm about to put some more rice on here though. It's over. It's in here. Okay, hold on. One thing at a time.
You're very excited. Make squash chicken. Yesterday to the damn unicorn that she bought from the Dollar Tree.
What?
Busted and all the guns home. Not trying to get it.
No, she don't need nothing. How about you leave yourself alone, huh? Hold on, let me put some more rice. What? Babies, it is the next day, y'all. I couldn't show y'all. I showed y'all the food. I just didn't show y'all my plate. Like it was so much going on with me cooking, chasing my son around. He wanted to snatch the balls off the Christmas tree. He was doing his big one yesterday. That's all I'm gonna say. So by the time I ate, I wasn't even in the mood to record no more, y'all. I just wanted to lay down and go to sleep and watch a movie, which I did. I finished watching the Artist old movie, Suspense. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I'm at work, so y'all, have a great day. I will see y'all in my next vlog. Again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, shy babies.